Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Dhani and my NPM is 150, and I'm here to presenting our material topic, and our material topic is understanding moral and character education. Just let's go to the topic. Okay, for the first, the importance of moral education. Moral education is crucial for developing ethical individual who can make sound decisions. It helps instill values such as honesty, respect, and empathy. By teaching moral principles, we prepare individuals to navigate complex social situations and make choices that reflect their values. Furthermore, moral education promotes social cohesion and reflects or reduce conflicts, contributing to a more harmonious society. Okay, next is key components of character education. Character education encompasses various components that contribute to personal growth. Some key elements include, for the first, there is a values clarification, helping individuals identify and understand their value and belief. And for the second, there is social emotional learning, developing skills such as self-awareness, self-regulation, and interpersonal skills. And next is ethical decision making, teaching individuals how to analyze situations and make choices based on ethical principles. And for the next, there is a community involvement, encouraging participation in community service to foster a sense of responsibility and empathy. And for the last, there is a role model, highlighting the importance of positive role models who exemplify strong moral character. Okay, next is principle of effective moral education. Effective moral education requires a thoughtful approach. Here are some principles to consider. For the first, there is integrate value across curriculum, and moral education with a various subject to reinforce its importance. And for the second, there is encourage critical thinking, foster discussion that challenge students to think critically about moral dilemma. Next is promote active learning. Use role-playing, simulations, and group activity to engage students in moral seasoning. And for the next, there is create a safe environment. Establish a supportive atmosphere where individuals feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings. And for the last, there is a model ethical behavior. Educators and leaders should exemplify the values they teach to inspire others. Okay, next is strategies for fostering character development. Fostering character development involves various strategies. Consider the following. For the first, service learning. Engage individual in community service projects to develop empathy and social responsibility. And for the second, there is reflection activity. Encourage journaling or discussion that prompt individuals to reflect on their value and action. And next, there is mentorship program. Pair individual with mentor who can guide them in their moral and character development. And next, there is a recognition of positive behavior. Acknowledge and rewards acts of kindness and integrity to reinforce positive behavior. And for the last, there is a family involvement. Encourage families to participate in character education initiative to create a supportive home environment. Okay, next is the role of schools in character education. School plays a vital role in character education. Here are some ways they can contribute. For the first, there is curriculum development. Integrate character education into the curriculum to emphasize its importance. And for the second, there is professional development. Provide training for educators on effective character education strategy. And for the next is school culture. Foster a positive school culture that promotes respect, inclusivity, and ethical behavior. And for the next, there is a parent engagement. involve parents in character education initiative to reinforce values at home. And for the last, there is a community partnership. Collaborate with local organizations to enhance character education programs. Okay, next is challenge in moral and character education. While promoting moral and character education is essential, challenges may arise, and here are some common obstacles. For the first, there is a cultural differences. Diverse background may lead to varying interpretation of moral values. And for the second, there is a lack of resources. Limited funding and resources can hinder the implementation of character education programs. And next is resistance to change. Some individual may resist new approach to moral education. And next is inconsistent messaging. Conflicting message from media and society can undermine character education efforts. And for the last, there is assessment difficulty. Measuring character development can be challenging, making it hard to evaluate progress. Okay, next, the impact of character education. Investing in character education yields numerous benefits. Here are some positive outcomes. And for the first, there is improved academic performance. Students with strong character often exhibit better focus and motivation. And for the second, there is enhanced social skills. Character education fosters empathy, cooperation, and effective communication. And next is reduce behavior issues. Individuals with strong moral foundation are less likely to engage in negative behavior. And next is stronger community. Character education promotes civic responsibility and community engagement. And for the last, there is a lifelong ethical development. Individuals equipped with strong moral value are more likely to make ethical decisions throughout their life. Okay, finally the conclusion. In conclusion, moral and character education is vital for developing ethical individuals who contribute positively to society. By understanding its importance, implementing effective strategies, and addressing challenges, we can foster a culture of integrity and responsibility. Remember that character development is a lifelong journey that requires commitment and reflection. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation has inspired you to prioritize moral and character education in your community. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.